Whoop.
Oh, here we go.
Big boom. Get it right. So it's, now let it back, that's it. Up a bit higher. Get it so it's right at the top of the stroke. You know where they go up, up, up. Get it so it's just past 12, like about 11 o'clock. And stand down because you can set the car in where the piston stroke is.
Oh.
And then a big stamp all your weight onto it.
You know, you get right to the top, Joe, you know.
Bring it up more, so it's...
Yeah.
Yeah.
And to show you miss it.
Bring it up higher, you need to. So you're creating downwards. Now, you're out to about 9 here, and you need to come up more. Up more, up, so it's nearly all the way back up. Then put your boot on it, and stamp it in there. Imagine this, ooh, another prop head.
Oh, give it a whack.
You know, a bit higher, let it come up higher.
It's not in gear. If it was in gear, you wouldn't be able to do it at all.
You think you'd be jerking it forward, unless you had a clutch in.
No, because you wouldn't have no compression, man.
No, then it's easier.
Yeah.
We've been recorded, oh my god.
Speed?
That'll be plenty. You know that, right? You come up there, I'm changing the second.
Well, start it before you get any speed.
Oh, really?
Good exercise for him as well.
Oh, I tell you what, it's hard work.
I know.
Right, I'm bottling in, look. Coming on the corner, all day, right? I don't know what.
He's just worn out, I think.
He just went over it just now, didn't he? Before we cleaned it all out.
I think it's because he's worn out.
Right. Have a lap on your bike, guys. You don't have to come up there, you don't have to go fast. I just want your opinion on what it's like. Did you get up there before, didn't you? You tell us if it was right or wrong.
Go on, Joe, give us some welly.
You can do it, Joe. Kaimen, one big effort. Look, get it together now to help him.
Yeah. I'm not going to help him. I'm just going to laugh at him. Hang on.
Whoop. Right, you're the yes. Hello.
Bloody hell.
Get out of over there. And he had one foot off, I thought I was going to flash his solid. I know, he had one leg up, didn't he?
You know, I think you probably shit himself.
I bet he did.
I'd like to see his face.
I bet he
didn't have to play it back.
No, I didn't.
Freaking
bastard. He's
yeah,
jealous, though.
Jealous, yeah.
He did.
Hey.
Where is he? Oh, he's on it. Yeah.
Go on then, come on. Hey!
The American company.
Watch out! Stay here. Oh no. You're looking like me now. Fucking